So when company have a different prices, when company has when company has a single price, they have discrimination, right? So in this case, you see the marginal cost is a horizontal flat line. It is for the natural monopoly. A special case in which the marginal cost is horizontally straight line because they have maintained their average total cost at its minimum. So because of that, every additional product is sold is going to give you zero marginal cost. So marginal cost is the same, so that's why it is horizontal straight line. So we are talking about the special case here. So just to make you understand that we need to produce here, but we are producing here, so this is whole. And this much is the deadweight loss, right? So let me just giving you the idea here. So what if you charge different prices? If you charge different prices, what's going on? If you charge different prices, you see, if you charge P3 here, you reduces this deadweight loss. If you charge this much prices, then you reduce this much deadweight loss. So in every market, you are charging different prices. It means essentially the deadweight loss is zero. The more you charge different prices, the deadweight loss closer to zero. So here we go. So how it increases the monopolist profit? You see here. So this is the deadweight loss. If we are charging different prices, then our profit is going to be increased. And what happened? So all this deadweight loss is included in profit. And deadweight loss eliminated. Right now they are charging one price, monopoly price. When the charge is P2, the consumer surplus start increasing, profit also start increasing, right? So this blue shadow is going to be like increased, and when if charging this price, then again this is going to be like this. So essentially the deadweight loss is going to be eliminated. That's it. So example of price discrimination: the movie tickets, airplane, discount coupons, buy one get one free, buy one or show this coupon and you can buy some other products with discount, financial aid for scholarships or something, and then quantity discounts as well. If you buy 100 pieces, the price is this. If you buy 200 pieces, the price is going to be very discounted. So this discrimination price, two things: it increases profit, it decreases the deadweight loss, which is both desirable outcomes for both counterparties, government and companies. That's it. So if the prevalence of monopolies, which means monopolies are today common, yes, either through form of natural monopolies. They are rare, but they do exist for a shorter period of time. And then we have government monopolies. Yes, those companies who provide us electricity, railway services, this kind of stuff, postal services, right? Most firms have some control over their prices because of differentiated products. Many firms, they are selling differentiated products, so they have control over price, so they are also becoming a little bit more monopolistic. firms with some substantial monopoly power are rare. For example, nuclear enrichment companies, rare companies. All other type of monopolies, they have some kind of competition, right? And few goods are nowadays truly unique. Even though in a country it's unique, but due to this WTO, the trade and the globalization, you can still import from anywhere in the world. So too few goods are truly unique. All other have substitute and you can import, right? So this is the comparison table here for competition and monopoly. You can see the similarities and differences. So as we learn from different companies or different different market structure, we will see the comparison here. Next time we will talk about the monopolistic competition. So at the end of the monopolistic competition, we'll see its comparison as well. So how they are similar, their maximizing profit conditions are similar. They can earn profit in short run. Yes, both companies can earn. The differences are the firms, there are many. In monopoly, there are one. Its marginal revenue equal to the price, but here price is greater than marginal revenue. And here price is equal to MC, but here price is always greater than MC. So it is good for society, yes. Monopoly is not good for society. So in long run, entry is possible, yes. Even then, in long run, in competition, entry is possible, but there is an entry barrier in monopoly. Price discrimination is not in competition, it is a possible in monopoly. But plus economic profit, competition can never enjoy economic profit in long run, but monopoly can enjoy, yes, right? So we have concluded our discussion here. So let's have a very nice concept checker regarding the price discrimination so that you can truly understand what do I mean by price discrimination. So I'm going to give you 5 minutes to read the question and all the scenarios, and then we try to answer number 1 and number 2. So your time starts now. I'm going to pause the video so that everybody can read that. Okay, so if you read the scenario, please read the question number 1 and answer it. So how much profit will the airline earn if it sets the price of a ticket $600? Can you do that? So, David, what is the answer of question number 1?
I had D, 70,000.
70,000. Okay. Marilyn?
I'm calculating.
Okay. Kim, Isaac, Osama? Dijodi?
C, sir.
C, right?
Yes, C.
So let's talk about this. So there are 150 seats in a plane. Hundreds are business travelers who are ready to pay 600. Since you set the price 600, so 50 vacationers, they cannot afford the 600 tickets, so they will be left out. So how much is the profit? So 100 multiplied by 600, answer is 60,000. And what is the cost? 20,000. So minus 20,000. Answer is 40,000. Not D. It is C. Everybody understand that? I mean everyone. David, understand?
Yeah, I do.
What is the profit formula is total revenue minus total cost. Total revenue is your 100 multiplied by 600. This is total revenue and this is total cost, right? Now, a little bit twist here, and that is how much additional profit can the firm earn by devising price discrimination relative to charging a flat fee of 600. So after giving 100 vacationers, the airlines still have vacancies. Yes, 50 vacancies still left, and the company is still ready to accommodate that. Now, how much is the additional profit? Well done. Because they are already covering their cost, 40,000 they are having profit, plus 300 multiplied by 50. So additional profit going to be 15,000. Right, guys? So you see here, so they have reduced the deadweight loss. Yes, they have reduced the deadweight loss. They produce more, which means they took more 50 passengers. They increased their profit. Yes, the profit going to be 55,000. Deadweight loss is reduced. So both parties are happy. Government is happy too. Company is happy too. Okay, I'm going to be uploading the assignment 4, which is related to perfect competition. And the deadline is, of course, going to be next class. And in next class, I'm going to give you assignment 5, which is related to monopoly as well. Okay. Any questions from our today's lecture?
No, sir.
If not, then we are going to end our class. And I'm going to be uploading the chapter and the PPT on the Blackboard and the WeChat as well. And if you have any question, you can write us in our WeChat group and Blackboard as well. Okay? Take care, guys. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir.
sir.
Bye-bye.
Okay, thank you, sir. Bye-bye.
All right, bye-bye.